raised a lot of awareness and participated in order to tackle acid mine drainage. Any mining activity has to carry out an EIA, which is an environmental impact assessment. Greenpeace Africa, which is a non-governmental organization, an NGO, has also taken a lot of action by raising awareness to the public and to the surrounding communities affected by acid mine drainage. And my favorite is education is always the answer, because once you educate people, you enlighten them and you give them knowledge and power in order to also tackle the issue of acid mine drainage. Also, we have wastewater treatments which should treat the polluted water and ensure high drinking quality of the water. So in many townships like Diepsloot and Alexandra, where acid mine drainage is present, you have this wastewater that's the treatment of the water is actually affordable to the people. So the water is not actually high. It's affordable and people can actually buy the water. Now with the second one, Gauteng, as you know, with increasing urbanization and the influx of people is creating the need for more and more informal houses because we don't have that much land. And as a result, you're going to get, one way or another, pollution of the water. So with urbanization, there's a lot of manufacturing and industrial places which release harmful toxins and gases. And the consequences of this is you're going to get increasing respiratory problems such as asthma. As a child, I lived near an area near Calvin Power Station, and I suffered from asthma, and it got so bad where my parents actually had to move because my asthma was actually getting worse. So these are the disadvantages of living in an industrialized area. Low-cost housing means more than one people in one area, and there tends to be sewage and pipe leaks which affect the water and lead to water pollution. Now, again, we have a solution to this problem. So the city of Johannesburg has vowed to regulate the particulate matter in the air monthly. Particulate matter is all the solid and liquid particles which are suspended in the atmosphere. And they can be organic or inorganic. Organic can be like dust and soot, and then, inorganic is dust and soot. And then organic can be liquid particles. And so the city of Johannesburg has vowed to regulate this particulate matter. The city's Environmental Management Department has initiated an air quality management survey to determine the levels of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide which is emitted from the vehicles. A Sustainability Forum is aiming to become more eco-green. So in Gauteng as a whole, we're finding more and more companies and different departments are installing roof gardens, more trees are being planted around, and there's also an emphasis on cycling and carpools instead of using your own transport. So, we are not the only economic hub of South Africa, but we do take the environment seriously. So, Gauteng, as seen and presented by my fellow colleagues, has a distinct history, a rich culture and biodiversity, amazing tourist sites and a fascinating geology. Think about this. Without Gauteng, where would South Africa really be? And we'd like to we'd like to acknowledge all these organizations here for us being here. Thank you.